all the way up here. It has a very small head.
Oh, just those three little stars in here?
Right, this is three little stars.
And its name's Orion?
Right. It's a real giant.
Oh, you got the other one. You got the part in between.
Well, it's a star called
That's the wrong
Aldebaran.
one. Here.
And legend has it that it
There.
marks the eye
No, try that.
of a bull,
Right there.
a forest bull. And these stars here, notice these stars, these bright ones, they look almost like
There.
a turned over, a V turned on
No,
its
I'm doing
side.
these. You do those.
And that's supposed to look like
There you
a
go.
bull?
Well, actually, that only looks like part of the bull, his head. You know what this is?
Great job, Adam.
Is it a comet?
That's right.
Thank you.
They're very big pieces of ice, aren't they?
Right. Lots of ice balls again, only that when they start coming real close to the sun, they're traveling around. They leave them alone.
Good job, sweetie.
That's why we see them, because they're pale and all the dust begins to stream behind them as they run.
You gotta watch what you're doing though, honey bunny.
You have to watch. You're mugging for the camera now. All right. Put
Okay.
that in the box.
Thank you with the help on the Christmas cards.
Yeah, thank you, Adam.
It must be really